Now, thanks to leaker Isan Agarwal, we have the full set of Galaxy S22 Ultra press images as well as spec sheet of the device, just like the Galaxy S22 Plus. So let me tell you all the specs of all the Galaxy S22 models and the release date. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will feature a 6.8-inch 1440p 2x dynamic AMOLED display with LTPO technology, most probably LTPO 2.0, with support up to 120Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits of peak brightness. And it will also feature Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. As for the cameras, it will feature a 108MP super clear lens main camera with support up to 12-bit HD video recording as well as 8K 30fps video recording. As for the zoom cameras, there will be two 10MP cameras, one with 3x zoom capabilities and one with 10x periscope zoom capabilities. At the same time, there will also be a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, typical stuff. As for the front camera, this 40MP selfie camera will sit inside in the top center of the curvy display. The whole phone will be fueled by a 5000 mAh battery, a beefy 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast wired charging and 15W wireless charging capabilities. There will also be a built-in S Pen slot with 2.80 millisecond latency. That's kind of insane. Now, as for the RAM, there will be 12GB and 16GB of RAM options. As for the storage, there will be a 1TB storage option, we're hearing that, but at the same time there will be 128GB, 256 and 512GB as well. But keep in mind, there won't be microSD card slot. This 228-gram phone will be 8.9mm thick and it will come with Android 12 software with One UI 4.1 on top. Now, according to Tech Insider blog over Twitter, here's the timeline. The Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event will happen on 8th of next month and the pre-orders date is the next day after the launch, and in-store availability and shipping date is 25th of February. A recent report via Sam Mobile tells us the Samsung is also working on an updated 45W charger, which is currently speculated to cost as much as €50 or $56 in the US. Let me tell you the specs of the Galaxy S22 Plus. 6.55-inch LTPO AMOLED 1080p display with 120Hz refresh rate support, as well as over 1700 nits peak brightness. And it will also feature glass back as well as Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, so it's premium this time. As for the cameras, it will feature a 50MP main camera, a 10MP 3x telephoto zoom camera and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. As for the front, it will feature a 10MP selfie shooter, but it will be surrounded by razor-thin bezels. That is just gonna be insane. Now, as for the battery, it will feature a 4500 mAh battery with same 45W fast charging capabilities as well as 15W wireless charging. But in terms of RAM, it will start with 8GB of RAM variant and there will also be a 12GB of RAM variant paired with 128GB and 256GB of storage options. This 195-gram phone will also come with Android 12 with One UI 4.1 on top. Simple. The Galaxy S22 will be slightly more cheaper variant of that. It will feature a 6.06-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x 1080p display with same 120Hz refresh rate support, but it will feature 1300 nits peak brightness. That's not an upgrade. Now it will also feature glass back and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. Quite a good upgrade from the last year's model. As for the back, the same rear camera setup as the S22 Plus and same front-facing camera as well, and also same razor-thin bezels. As for the battery, even though we are hearing it will come with a 4000 mAh battery, but we've also seen a lot of leaks saying 3700 mAh battery. I still don't know which one is right, but if it's a 3700 mAh battery, then it will be disappointing, and if it's a 4000 mAh battery, that's great. The RAM storage options and the software is identical to the S22 Plus, but the phone will be much more lighter than you think. It's 167 gram, that's it. So the next thing is, all these phones will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in certain markets and Exynos 2200 with AMD GPU, the Eclipse 920 GPU. If you want to know more about the Exynos processor and how it will compete with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is also getting two kind of variant, one made by Samsung, one made by TSMC, you need to check out my video on that on my other channel. I will link down below. Check that video out. Also, these two devices will share the stage with the Tab S8 series, which will also feature Tab S8, S8 Plus and S8 Ultra. If you want to see the latest video on those Tab S8 series, then definitely check out my recent video as well. I will link down below. And all these phones will have quite a bit of color options as well, like burgundy red, green, white and black. But at the same time, the S22 and the S22 Plus will feature pink gold color. My latest Mountain Series 1 wallpaper pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.